Imagine this tornado ripping through your town, destroying everything in its path, and everyone losing their lives. But how did this happen? It was October 3rd, 2025. A double and triple and quadruple high risk has been issued near Elkhorn and Wakefield, Nebraska. And it was carrying strong warm dry air and cold dry air. 4 thunderstorms to explode into a strong one. The storm had so much energy, it started off with 200-mile-an-hour vortices and a violent tornado touchdown. And a rare tornado emergency is issued already. Storms were never seen like this before, but this tornado went to EF5 intensity in 1 minute. And it completely wiped off a house with no debris left. And the Doppler on wheels measures 330-mile-an-hour winds. And extremely strong vortices merging with the main funnel. Houses are completely swept off. And at 5:44 p.m., the tornado becomes rain-wrapped. And it's heading for its second town in Wakefield, Nebraska. Also completely wiping off houses badly. There was so much debris up in it, it turned into a murky brown. Luca was really thinking he was missing out on the whole entire tornado, but he was wrong. He could see rotation. They don't even realize the vortice was a mile away. As debris begins to fall from the sky, all the debris from the town I meant. And the tornado is revealing itself from the rain. It appeared smaller, but that doesn't mean it's just weak. The winds and the current wind speeds were at least 230 miles an hour at 5:56 p.m. And this was its peak size. And there was 2 tornadoes. The white one that was very dusty was the Bridge Creek tornado that ripped through the town of Bridge Creek. That was very old and was way older than the new Elkhorn tornado and merged with the Elkhorn tornado to the other side. That was the black tornado. The way more beautiful one at stovepipe stage. As the Bridge Creek tornado merges with the Elkhorn tornado, the stronger one, here is footage of the Elkhorn tornado, and this is its final stage, and it dissipates at 6:49 p.m. Before it dissipates, it caused F4 damage with winds exceeding at least 198 miles an hour. The Bridge Creek tornado was rated F5, and as well as the Elkhorn and Wakefield, Nebraska tornado receiving an F5 rating. I hope you enjoy my videos.